He is here. He is here. Halo guys, balik lagi di Binai Channel. So hari ini adalah minggu kedua kita di Austria, ngunjungin keluarganya Basti. Dan can you guess who's gonna come here later on the evening? It's Alex. Ya, so jadi teman-teman Alex juga kemarin waktu kita bilang kita mau plan pergi liburan ke Europe. Terus si Alex bilang, ih aku boleh ikut nggak? Soalnya aku belum pernah ke Europe. Nah, jadilah kita bilang, ya why not? So, dia itu seminggu kemarin lagi di Jerman. Nah, hari ini dia bakal datang ke Salzburg. So, we gonna clean the room because we gonna share the room with him. And yeah, we're super excited.
Let's go do some cleanup.
Yes, have a look. The room is very chaos. Kalau teman-teman lihat nih, maklumkan aja ya. Jadi ini kita mau membersihkan semua, terus kita taruh tempat tidurnya Alex.
So sekarang kita mau
Ya, sekarang kita on the way untuk jemput Alex ke stasiun kereta. Jadi kita barusan main sama kita jagain anaknya kakaknya Basti yang pertama. Terus aku lupa recording, nggak apa-apa lah. Dan ya, it's getting colder again. I think it's kind of like 2 degrees, so 2 derajat Celcius. Super cold. Stasiun kereta Salzburg. Wah, sind da alle Radl? Wahnsinn. Sepeda semua. Edan. Stasiun artinya tempat parkir sepeda. Gila dong, banyak banget sepedanya. Jadi teman-teman, orang-orang di sini ini pada banyak yang ngontel, lebih sehat juga. Jadi kayak sepeda motor gini nggak banyak, rata-rata ngontel. Bro, tunggu bro. Si bro lewat situ, aku lewat sini. Males. Kita lihat departure Let's see. No, not this one. This one. Class 5. So, platform 5, guys. Ini keretanya Alex. Sekarang jam berapa? Aso, 15 menit lagi. Sekarang. Platform 5. Dingin banget, guys. Datang. Oh, kereta yang lain. Ya. Munchen Hauptbahnhof. Tuh kereta dari Munchen. Bakal datang. Jadi suhunya, guys, 6 derajat. Tapi rasanya kayak 3 derajat. Ah, keretanya datang. Let's see. He is here. He is here. Ah, no. Papas. You made it. Yay. Not chefing. Hi.
Hi.
So Alex is here and he's not saving. Look at him with the beard.
I'm really hungover. I haven't shaved off. It's been
Look
tough
at him
days.
with the beard. So,
yeah.
how's it going? How's the train?
It was great, like beautiful view. Like,
Yeah.
it's
Snow?
amazing.
No snow,
yeah,
right?
Well, yeah, there was snow
Some?
in Germany.
Yeah.
Like the
Good.
day I arrived, there was snow, but
Yeah,
then
well, yeah, and
after-
then it's melting. But next week, in a couple of days, it's gonna be snowing again.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm willing to see that.
Yay! Look at Alex just have this baggage. So yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. So, kita sekarang mau pulang ke rumah karena kita ntar jam 9:30 mau pergi ketemu teman-teman yang lain. Ya ampun, aku belum pernah lihat loh dia brewokan kayak gitu. Biasa juga rapi. Nih, Alex datangnya pakai jeans, dia nggak pakai bagasi. You wearing a proper clothes? Let's see. Let's inspect Alex.
I think so. I have it.
Let's
Cold.
study jacket. Yeah, it's getting really cold now because it's gonna be snowing. Alex excited.
So excited.
Yeah. Welcome to Austria.
One guy and like, is this one guy? It's just one guy and a lot of girls.
Yeah, one guy, yeah. It's like you and Nördlingen with the girls.
It's like Nördlingen, yeah.
Das Sternzimmer von der Weihnachtsessen. Weiter so eine Weihnachtsfeier.
Mucho gusto.
Oh, salud.
One of my next trips will be Mexico.
Yeah.
No, honestly, really.
Yay.
Trips.
Trips.
Maybe
Cheeks.
Was ist Chicks?
Cheeks.
Was ist Chicks? Oh, Video.
Oh, ahoy. Ahoy, ahoy. Mexico! Hola! So let's see. That's the worm. Okay.
I get the head, okay? I want the head.
You want to have? Okay, you bite the head now then.
This is the wash.
Yeah. Yeah.
I got the head.
Nice. Who's next? Basti? Or Andy? Andy. Wait.
No, don't lose it. No,
Come Andy. Andy. Oh, Andy. Und? Delicious. I won't show it to the camera. Let me see. Oh my god. This one. Oh yeah. Yeah, I thought. Yeah, and you eat it now. Now you eat it.
Come on!
Yeah. Oh my god. Lovely, Basti. Good job. Who's next? Jenny. Jenny.
He's the finger.
Oh.
Das ist gut.
Wow. Ist gut?
Der brennt da oben.
Ja?
Vielleicht doch mal was nachtrinken? Oder nicht? Okay. Ja, ich das.
Du magst nichts. Ich wollte nicht.